Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'll be getting another dog. It is about 2:30 right now and the dog is going to be here at 7, so I decided to just take this part of it now. The dog is going to be a German Shepherd. It's a girl and we decided to name it Maya. I will catch you up once the dog is here. This is my dog Jessie, the one we've had for 9 years, and the other dog is a few minutes away from being here.
She has no idea.
We got a baby.
Come here.
She's over here. Jessie, Jessie, go see Maya. Oh, yeah.
Not so sure. Jessie, see Maya?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay, baby, look at. It's your sister. Say hi. Good girl. It's okay.
She's been playing all day, so she's super tired. I know this video is short, but I just wanted to do a video of when we got the dog. So anyways, like this video and subscribe if you want to see more, and there will definitely be a lot more videos coming up soon.